No. All right. We're live. Not live. We're recording. My son is here to open with me. We're going to open a box of 2018 Panini Contenders football. We've got several of these boxes for live breaks on eBay as well. 82 Brew on eBay. So check those out. But we're going to keep opening boxes on the YouTube channel as well. So hope you enjoy. We'll get started. I'm going to open the first three. And then Luke's going to take a chance to open a couple as well. Hope we get something good, right?
Mm-hmm.
We've yet to get a big hit in one of these boxes, but maybe today's the day. Alright, Le'Veon Bell, Ezekiel Elliott. Redemption right off the bat. Let's see what we got here. Rookie ticket, Derwin James. San Diego Chargers. That's cool. I've seen a lot of those get pulled. Derwin James is a good player, obviously, but I've seen a lot of his redemption cards get pulled. Team Quad, Patriots, Joey Bosa, Mike Evans. I like Contenders. It's one of my favorite products. What do you think, Luke? Do you like this?
Yeah.
You don't these cards compared to some of the other cards?
Oh yeah,
They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. A lot of autographs in these. MVP Contenders. Get 5 autos per box. Okay, one more and that's your turn.
Wait, 5 autos per box?
Yeah. See? Fun 5 autographs per box. Yeah. And they have all the rookies. I mean, they have every rookie you can imagine in these boxes. Which is kind of nice. Jordan Reed, J.J. Watt. Oh, here's something. Dolphins.
Ooh.
Luke Falk. Not bad.
Oh.
Quarterback, right? For the Dolphins.
Nice.
Although Ryan Tannehill is the current quarterback, but
Nice.
of course he doesn't do much. Alright, so that's 2 autos so far because the redemption counts as an auto. Alright, you want me to get these started for you?
Yeah, so it's easier.
Okay. You want to do 2?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. What's your favorite football team?
The Steelers.
Still?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Dolphins. Redskins.
It looks like something there. What you got?
Ooh.
What's the name?
Ray. Yeah.
McLeod. He's a running back for the Bills. Kind of got a cool signature. Okay, put him in the hit pile. So that's 3. Should be 2 more.
Nice Packer card.
Yeah. Legendary. What's that? Charles Woodson?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't. Probably could go ahead. Is this the Pirates? Right?
Buccaneers.
Oh yeah, I always forget because their logo has like and Packers. Oh, these don't go.
Yeah.
Go with it.
Those base cards.
Let's figure it out. Okay, Steelers quarterback. Another quarterback. Dolphins. Rams. Broncos. Falcons.
Looks like all base cards.
And these are the
Chiefs.
Yeah, Chiefs. I was thinking about that, and then you know this thing.
All right.
And goodbye.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
All right, let's see what we got. Deshaun Watson, Cam Newton, Stephon MVP Contenders, Carson Wentz, Derek Carr, Joe Mixon.
It'd be really bad to have this thing, like the 82 Bruiser thing, just fall on it.
Yeah, it wouldn't look too good, right?
No,
It kind of stays up there nicely, though. You like how it looks like a license plate? I mean, that is an actual Wisconsin license plate. I mean, that's the way it looks, anyway. They did a pretty good job.
Aren't license plates supposed to have 7 digits?
Yeah, but they made it special for me.
Nice.
That way, they can write anything on there, I think. You could get it to say anything. I think they have all 50 states, too. So, like, you could get Virginia or some other state. Oh, you want to get something that says something else? You could get one for Virginia or Pennsylvania.
My turn?
Yeah.
So, oh.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Alright. Okay.
Texans.
Yeah, Texans. Confusing.
We're gonna just do what you do if you.
Yeah. Eagles.
Ooh, that looks like
58 out of 99.
so that's like a playoff. Oh, championship ticket. See, championship ticket. So that's a special card. It's kind of cool. No auto, but
Whoa, shiny.
yeah. Championship tickets, playoff tickets. Those are all like short printed.
Double card, Redskins and the what is the
Lions.
Oh, yeah, Lions. The Jaguars, right? The
Seahawks.
it's literally just a struggle just to get the name correct.
Oh, you get used to seeing them.
No, I mean
Once you see them
the
often.
team.
Yeah. Once you see the logos, it's like to remember them probably, right?
Oh, that just like went flying out of the pack. Cardinals. Oh,
Oh, I see something. Jaguars.
this is the same.
Yep, Jags. Oh, it's the same card. Well,
Yeah.
that's the rookie ticket. No, season ticket.
No, oh.
Something. Eagles.
Whoa.
What is it?
Josh Allen.
Josh Adams. Yeah, not bad. Not awesome, but
Hey, it's an
Not bad.
autograph.
is that the fifth one? That's probably it then. Unless some boxes have 6.
There's one more.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. So hopefully you get one more. But sometimes you get 6, so you could have a.
We got double
6
Packers and the Browns. Alexander and Ward. And yeah. Right? That's it. Ward and Alex. Yeah. Put that down. Patriots. Ooh, that's Rob Gronkowski.
Gronkowski. Yeah, he's a good player. Gronk.
And then we got
So,
the Falcons for the last one. Take it away, sir.
So we got several live breaks up on our eBay account, 82 Brew Crew, and some other cards and items. You should go check them out. Some good stuff. We're going to be opening a lot of boxes. A lot of, well, not a lot of, but some high-end stuff that would be too expensive to open by yourself, so we do it as a group. Okay, let's see. Try to make sure that we can see these. Good. Yeah. Rookie of the Year, Michael Gallup, Case Keenum, Terrell Suggs. Getting down to the wire here. 4 more. We need 1 more auto at least. Hopefully. 2 more autos. So,
You know, it'll be a rip-off if you got like, well, I mean, it's possible because you opened 1 pack from this box already, right?
yeah, there was 1 pack out of it. So, yeah, I guess you're right.
So, but let's just hope now.
Yeah, well, there's 3 more packs. Okay, so you doing 3 or let me do 1 more, then you do 2. I don't know how we got off on the pack count. I thought we were doing 2, but... Alright, I need 1 more. 1 or 2. Oh, see that? See the edge there? That's a ticket stub card. That's pretty cool. Oh, and it's an auto too. It's an auto. Let's see. Bengals. I don't know any good rookies with the Bengals. Mark Walton. On card. Numbered to 32. Sweet. His jersey number. See how they do that? He's number 32.
Mm-hmm.
So it's on card. It's the stub. See how they make it to be like a ticket stub? Nice. That's cool. It's probably one of our better pulls out of Contenders. Look at that autograph. That thing is huge. Look at how he signed that thing.
Signed it
took
like
up half
a boss.
the card. Yeah.
He signed it like a boss.
Yeah, like a boss, I guess. Yeah.
It's like cha-ching.
All right, let's see if we get one more auto. That'd be cool because then it'd be a six
Sixer.
pack.
Sixer.
Okay. 2 more. 2 more. Let's see what we got. Cool. Yeah, we can sleeve for that one, probably.
Mm-hmm.
My supplies out.
Okay. Giants. Bills. Rams. Steelers. Packers. Eagles. My last pack. I'll put this over here. Redskins quarterback.
Come on, give us another auto.
Steelers.
6 pack. There's autos.
Browns.
Doesn't look like it though.
This is pretty cool.
What does it say?
Legendary Contenders.
Usually like Hall of Fame.
Emmett Smith.
Cool. Cowboys running back.
Not too bad. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Chargers and Titans. And
Yeah, we got 5 of these. We got 5 autos. One bad. Let's clean up our area. Alright. So that was one box of Panini Contenders. Josh Adams, Ray McLeod, Luke Falk, that's decent. And then the Derwin James.
and don't forget
And then
this
the
card.
Piece de Resistance. Yeah, not bad. Pretty cool. I don't know what kind of year the guy had. Mark Walton. I mean, he's not a big name rookie, but still a cool card, cool signature. All right.
Ticket thing.
Any last words?
No.
Okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.